Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And as you know, I like to get straight into it. So today we're going to be looking at how to make more interactive PowerPoints. We're going to do this using PowerPoint and also a bit of ChatGPT. I guess there's loads of use cases for this. Whether you're making a presentation for your work or you're making a presentation for your uni or for school. There are many times where you might need to make PowerPoints that are, let's just say, not very basic. We're not going to do anything singing and dancing, but essentially it's just a way to make your PowerPoints a bit more interactive. So the example I'm going to use today is one of a presentation that says what it says on the screen, really, which is festivals around the world. So really, we're gonna put together a couple slides and just make a presentation that is clickable, and that basically interacts with what you do on the screen. So let's get started. Um, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add a few slides. So let's just make a blank one first. And let's go ahead and add um, another one here. Let's just duplicate that. Duplicate that again. Duplicate that again. What I'm going to do here for this example is essentially you want to create a map of the world and then have us click on the map and it takes us to essentially the slide with the information about that region and on the map. And this is just a basic example, right, of the power of all of this stuff. Um, we can get a lot more creative with it, and I'm sure you get more ideas as we sort of go through this. So, to make things easier, I have downloaded some images, so I'll just go ahead and import them. So, go ahead and insert an image, um, picture from file, and map of the world. So, just insert that. And now we just expand this across just to make this um, a lot bigger and a lot readable. So let's just fill this in. Let's just make this smaller. Just expand this a little bit just to fill out. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I'm essentially just going to go into ChatGPT and ask it a few questions. Uh, let's go ChatGPT. Let's say give us festivals from Africa, North America, South America, and Europe. Let's see what it comes up with. Yeah, that could work. So, um, just gonna copy this one first. Go back on our presentation. And we're going to go to one of the slides and we're just going to add this in there. So this can be one of them. Just formatting keep text only. Africa. North America. Text only. Get rid of that. Let's tidy that up. South America. And feel free to speed up the video or skip to where you think is just most relevant to you. And let's go for the last one, say Europe. All right. So just to give this a bit more flavor, we're just going to add some images. These are not necessarily the images of these festivals. They're just some images that I already sort of had saved for this demonstration. So I'm just going to add them. So if I just go and insert, let's just make that. I think when I downloaded this was from Ghana. Just have that in there. North America. Just insert image, file. North America. Let's do one for South America. Nice picture of Rio there. And let's do one for Europe. Using here. What have we got? Okay, let's use that picture of St. Patrick's Day. That should work. Okay, so I'm just gonna use the designer and see if I can get anything nice. Oh, I like this one. Let's go for that just to flavor it up. Uh, yeah, there's no need for us to. Let's just do that. Keep it all uniform. You can see this is already looking a lot nicer. Okay. Let's do that. All right. So what I'm going to do now is try and make this map a bit more interactive. So to do that, I'm just gonna let's go in shapes. Let's let's select the what's this one called? Freeform. So let's do that, and let's just highlight North America. So let's just say this. Oops. Do that again. So that's North America. We just go all the way here. It doesn't need to be accurate. It's just so that we can pick up a highlight. Let's just do that. So as you can see, it fills that in, which is really annoying. So what we want to do is just edit this slightly. So if we go into, just click on that, shape fill, no fill, and then we'll just keep it like that for the time being. Um, then what we want to do is just repeat that process for all of them. So again, if we click out of that, if we go into shapes, freeform again, let's do one for South America. So trace it around, doesn't need to be fully accurate. Let's do that. Okay, let's do that again. Let's do it for Africa as well. It's nice and follow that out. Um, I haven't done the whole of the world just for the sake of time. Um, and I guess we want to keep it as sharp and concise as possible. Um, one's really enough. Because as long as you understand the concept of it and how to achieve it, you can, I say, replicate it and get a lot smarter with it. Okay, got a bit excited there. Just undo that. Click here again. Let's just go with that. Alright, so now we've done that. What we then want to do now is go ahead and link these to the pages. So if I click onto this, oh, that's annoying. Okay, let's undo that. So if I right click on the shape that I've drawn and I just create a link. So I want to link it not to a web page, but I want to link it to this document. So North America, I'm going to link it to the North America slide. Okay. And South America, we're going to link again to the South America slide. And we're going to link this to the European slide. And Africa, we are going to link it to the African slide. Perfect. And obviously this looks quite tardy and tacky, so what I'm going to do is, at least now we can see where they are. So we can go to the shapes, we can click into these individual shapes. Oh, let's go back again. Yeah, so we can go to the shape outline and say no outline, and that goes away, which is exactly what we want because we don't want this showing no outline, no outline, no outline. Now, let's go ahead and go on our presentation. Again, we can get very fancy with this stuff. We can add animations as we go on. Let me know in the comments if you want a video around sort of animations and that type of thing. So if we go start our slide, festivals around the world. And if we click into any of these areas with the shapes, we will then automatically view that page. So if we go there, we can see North America. What we can do is actually we missed something. What we probably want to do again is, I mean, we can make this fancy so that we can link it back into that page. We can, if we go back into this mode, we can go ahead and um, add some kind of shape. Let's just say, let's add an arrow somewhere. And what we can do to this arrow is we can do exactly what we've done previously. Go ahead and link this back to slide 2. So we want to just do this for all of them and create a link. Let's do that again. Actually, we already have the link, so that's great because we just copy and pasted it. And again, this is very sort of basic design. You can get a lot more creative with this. So we just want to make sure that we have a way to link back. So take 2. If we go into presenter mode, festivals around the world, and let's go to North America. There we go. And we click back, we go back to this page. We can go to South America. When we click back our arrow, we go back to the main page. We can go to Africa, click back. We can go to Europe, click back. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's sort of very basic interaction, and you can see how you can make this more advanced. You can start to add things like animations. Let's say, for example, as you hover across all of this, maybe you know an image pops up, or you show the name of it, and all this stuff can be done through animations. So what you can do is perhaps add a text box on here and add the animations to appear when you hover over specific areas or where you add the text. Um, that wasn't the main purpose of this video. This video was just to show you how you can create some interaction on your PowerPoint slides. And as always, let me know in the comments if this was of any help to you. And if this was of any help to you, please go ahead and subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. And I love your interaction, so leave comments if there's any videos you want to see or if you've got any questions around this. As always, thank you for tuning in and see you in the next video.